crafty friends, it's Courtney Brickner, the CB behind the crafty brick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am very excited because I have a new series that I want to share with you. So I think in a former life or maybe in a future life, I was an artist or I'm going to be an artist, like a painter. I'm obsessed with watching people paint. I'm not very good at painting, but I wish that I was. But here's the deal. I got this advent calendar, Arteza Fine Art Advent Calendar, and it is like they partnered with this gal that I follow, Tiffany Anna. She's got amazing art. I'm obsessed with watching her work. So in this advent calendar, I'm going to open it here. You guys, I have been dying. I got this like a week ago. And I have not even seen what's in them. If you've been following me for a while, you know that that is like unheard of. I open things immediately. I don't have very good, I need instant gratification. It's a problem. So I thought that maybe I will unbox these for 24 days because there are 24 items in here, and do the projects and share them with you because I'm excited to do it, and I thought maybe you might like watching and seeing what's in it. She's an amazing artist. She typically is drawing fruit or abstract animals with amazing color. This is like one of her things, the bees. She's really known for this bee artwork, but I thought this was fun, a super fun idea. So here's what's in the box. This is in the first layer, and then there's a second layer here down there. So how about we open them and see what's inside? So this was the little postcard. I need my glasses. I need my glasses to see what it says. But basically it's welcome to the journey. You will open 24 days of our favorite Arteza products and have fun creating some of Tiffany's signature paintings and explore her bold and vibrant style. That's what I'm super excited about. The start of each new project will be accompanied by a creative kickoff card intended to guide you and inspire your creation the following days. All right, so you can do your own thing instead, no problem. I'm not gonna do my own thing. I'm just gonna do what it says that we should do here. So use the supplies to create your unique masterpiece and have fun. And in boxes 21 through 23 are some of Tiffany's picks. Okay, so there's going to be projects that we're going to make. Let's see, does it say how many projects we have? Oh, 6 projects that we're going to be making with it. So there will be all of the materials that we need to make the projects and art supplies, paint. To be honest, I don't know what's in all of it. So we're going to see what's in all of it and make these projects. So we cannot wait to see what you create. Well, I cannot wait to do it. So here's a little postcard from this one. So let's open up day 1. Got right here, day 1, and let's see what's inside. All right, day 1. Oops, okay, we got a paintbrush, some Moonlight Black acrylic paint, and looks like a little scroll of some sort with her signature gold. Awesome. All right, let's see what the card says on here. So 'tis the season to be merry. So this is days 1 to 4, be merry. So get excited. Over the next few days, you'll get additional colors to complete this masterpiece. Use loose, expressive strokes when adding your colors and details, and layer and mix your paints until your bee is all abuzz with holiday cheer. Okay, so I don't think that maybe we do anything. So we're going to get started on Tiffany's signature bee painting with day 1 of supplies. But how do we paint it? So we've got, I need some directions for this bee painting. I'm using expressive strokes. And we'll get additional colors to complete our masterpiece. So we just use the paint and the brush to start our bee. I'm gonna have to look up and see exactly what the bee looks like so I can get a little inspo to figure this out. All right, so we're gonna put a little of this paint down here. And I'm gonna try my best to create something similar because hers are so cute. All right, let's move this over here. All right, let's see what we got. I think I'm gonna do maybe 2 bees. So she kind of like expressive strokes, it said. Okay. Let's see, and then we'll do this little. All right, so I'm trying her light strokes. I don't know how this is going to look, but I think we're not going to get the full effect of what it's going to look like with just one paint color. So like I said, I'm not an artist. I don't know how to paint, so I'm just kind of winging it. And I think I like the idea of drawing more than one bee, but I don't know. I'm not sure. We're going to figure it out. But I feel like maybe it would have been better to just draw one large bee in the middle. But like I said, we're going to see how it all goes out. I kind of like how the strokes are coming together. I think it's interesting. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just going to go with 3 bees here. And we're going to see how it goes. Okay, here's what I have so far. I mean, it's not ready yet. It's just the beginning stages of my bees. It's a little suspect, I have to admit, but it's a process, right? We're gonna trust the process and it's gonna be beautiful in the end, I think. We're gonna see, but we're gonna continue on and see what the other days are. So tomorrow I'll be opening day 2. We'll see what's inside. It seems like it's gonna be a few more colors, but we'll see. I'm very excited to do this 24-day advent calendar with you. And if you like it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications so that you don't miss when I'm going to be dropping those videos every day for the next 24 days. That's a lot of videos in every day. I don't typically post that often, but I'm excited to share this with you because I'm dying to like see all of them, and it's going to be really, really hard for me to not open and go forward, but I'm not going to. I'm going to open them with you so we can see what they are together. So I'll be back tomorrow. I hope you will be here as well. Until then, stay crafty, my friend. Bye.